is actual ice.
Is it as cold as your morning mood?
Almost.
Good morning! We are at the Canadian Museum of Nature, and Kevin is in a great mood this morning because I woke him up early. I spilled coffee on his laptop and we couldn't find a Tim Hortons anywhere.
This is actual ice.
Is it as cold as your morning mood?
Almost. Alright, we just get to my favorite section of the museum.
Did you know that the dark spots on the moon are made of bath salt, and their bath salt is similar to the Earth's bath salt?
Basalt? Yes, I knew that. Oh my gosh, I want them all.
Like the museums we saw yesterday, this one goes way back to the early 1900s. What makes this building so unique is that it is housed in a castle-like structure. Its walls house 7 galleries, where you can see anything from dinosaurs to live bugs.
Kevin's mood and the weather are warming up as we finish at this museum. It's now time to head over to the Notre Dame Basilica.
I do want some coffee before doing that. Time for some lunch. Here's some poutine again. This one had some smoked meat and we added jalapenos for a kick.
We finally made it to Notre Dame. They have tours in English, French, and Spanish. We didn't intend on doing a tour today, so we're just gonna pop inside.
A fun fact about me is that I'm definitely afraid of spiders. Luckily, that one is just a sculpture.
Are you sure about that? I think I just saw Twitch.
It is such a wonderful Canadian summer day today. We decided to share with Piper and Hadley.
In fact, today marks the very first day of summer in Canada. At over 200 kilometers long, this UNESCO World Heritage Site, the Rideau Canal, is North America's oldest continuously running canal system. It's a great place to ride your bike, or apparently to walk your dog.
During the winter, it gets so cold here that the canal freezes over, and it becomes a giant ice rink. Like nearly every country in the world, Canada uses the metric system.
At a total length of 202 kilometers and a maximum speed limit of 20 kilometers per hour, how long would it take you to ride the entire length of the Rideau Canal and back? Let us know in the comments below, because Kevin can't math.
It's like we're in Paris.
It's 7 o'clock, but he finally got it.
They are really taking advantage of their summer here to build things.
We're here at the Ottawa Summer Solstice Indigenous Festival to celebrate the first day of summer. It's free to enter, but we did have to leave the dogs behind because dogs are not allowed here. We were able to take a free shuttle to get here. Check the website for more information.
Nice sunglasses.
The festival is housed at this farm. That name means to share land in Anishinaabe. There you'll learn about agritourism, farm-to-table culinary experiences, and enjoy authentic cultural traditions from an indigenous perspective. The festival brings together various Indigenous artists and performers that will share their knowledge with you and celebrate Canada's diverse Indigenous cultures.
Fun fact, the Ojibwe spirit horse is Canada's only native horse and was nearly extinct in the 1970s, with only 4 remaining. This farm is proud to be home to 10 Ojibwe spirit horses today.
Every time I hear a buzzing sound in the sky, I get so excited because I know for sure there's a drone out there. Right now I'm also very excited because we're supposed to have a drone show tonight.
But how do you know it's not just a swarm of bees coming to get you?
Well, because I saw it. Do you want to check out the marketplace? Oh my god, here we go. We were delighted by this amazing drone show that told an Ojibwe story of creation.
Hey, all you wanderers out there. Thanks for watching our channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to find out what we're back bound to next. And remember, the heron and the otter, my friends.